Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you a price prediction update on Dogecoin, whose current price stands at the $0.086 mark, and here on TradingView the market is up by 0.03%. And in this video I want to give the key scenarios that I expect to play out, basing my analysis on the idiot waves and the Fibonacci's, and also the key areas of support and resistances, and also draw out the key chart patterns that you have information on this chart. So if you're interested in such content, make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. Dogecoin from the all-time high has been seeing lower prices in this massive ABC correction, and that ABC correction has now taken us to around the $0.049 mark, and having done so, maybe the low for Dogecoin is in, and we might see a very nice bounce to the upside. And yesterday we had a very good run up to the upside, and we continued unlocking even higher prices. We managed to break above a key area of resistance at around the $0.07928 mark. And on this chart, starting my analysis here on the daily chart, I'll be giving you the key scenarios that I expect to play out, basing my analysis on the key chart patterns that you have information over here. And I'll start by drawing out a key chart pattern here on the daily chart, and that chart pattern is a triangle which I can draw out using a trend line here by connecting all the swing lows. You can see we have the swing lows down here, then I also connect the swing highs. You can see that forms a very nice triangle over here with more than 3 touch points, and which has been well respected. And you can see the price of Dogecoin had continued to push to the apex of that triangle, and we had a breakout to the upside. Any breakout out of this chart pattern has a target area as the height of that triangle. So using a trend line, we can get the height of that triangle and then place it at the area where we started to see that breakout out of that chart pattern, and that gives me a target area to around the $0.09 mark. And you can see we have continued pushing higher, but we have not yet maximized our target area for that triangle to the upside. And within this triangle, we can also term it as an idiot wave triangle, having this as the first wave. Then we saw a retracement in a wave B, then we saw a high in a wave C, then a wave D, and then a wave E is what is over here, and this is what normally gives us a breakout. And you can see after making the high for that wave E, we saw a breakout out of that chart pattern. We continued pushing higher, and we have our target area at around the $0.09 mark, but it could be possible that we might not maximize our target area for that breakout out of that chart pattern, and maybe the high is in for Dogecoin in that impulsive move to the upside. And using the Fibonacci's, because this is a very impulsive move to the upside, soon we might expect a retracement to the lower side, and in that movement we can use the Fibonacci's to get a target area in case that move starts to play out. And to do that, I'll be connecting the low down here at around the $0.049 mark to the high that we made yesterday. That is in case the high is in, and that gives me a target area between the fib level 0.618 and the fib level 0.5. So in case we continue unlocking lower prices, I would expect us to retrace into this red target area, and that gives me the key scenarios that I expect to play out. It's possible that Dogecoin, in case we do not continue pushing higher and continue seeing lower prices, I will expect us to go back to around the $0.7 mark where we have a key area of support, lose it, and maximize our red target area. And once you have maximized our red target area, then we can see a very nice reversal to the upside, manage to break above that key area of resistance once more, have a retest of that key area of resistance. And once the retest is a success, then we can continue pushing higher, manage to break above the high that we made yesterday and continue pushing even higher. And it's also possible that this movement to the lower side might not play out, because maybe the high for this impulsive move is not yet in. And in case that is the case, then I would expect higher prices. We maximize our target area for that chart pattern that we have here on the chart, then continue pushing even higher and make a high before we start to see a retracement to the lower side. Also going to the 4-hour chart for further analysis. Here on the 4-hour chart, you can also see we had been trading within this channel, and we managed to break out of that channel to the upside. We have also managed to break above a key area of resistance, but we have not yet seen a retest here on the 4-hour chart. So it could be possible that before we make a new high here, it's possible that we might see a retest here on the 4-hour chart, then continue pushing higher. And in case that happens, then the move of Dogecoin retracing into this target area will be invalidated. So let's be patient and see how that plays out. Also taking a look at the indicators, here on the RSI we are trading at around the 69 mark, and that means we have a bit of room for us to continue pushing higher before we get into the overbought region, and any movement to the lower side here on the RSI will be supported. Also taking a look at the MACD, on the MACD we had printed a bullish cross, and that would mean higher prices could be coming our way. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll keep you updated.